Omagieca Obo-ob Mangrove Garden EcoPark in Bantayan Island, Cebu. This is our second day, and first to visit on our land tour would be the Mangrove Garden and Eco Park. But first, we have to stop in Green Roots Restaurant for some quick breakfast or brunch. The Obo-ob Mangrove Park from Bantayan is about 3.7 kilometers via Bantayan Santa Fe Road and Obo-ob Road, which is approximately 7 to 10 minutes by tricycle, which was our contract driver and guide that will take us along to our different land tour locations. The Omagieca Obo-ob Mangrove Garden and Eco Park is in Barangay Obo-ob Santa Fe, Bantayan Island, Cebu. This is an aerial shot of the entire Eco Park. Let's explore the place together. One can explore the Mangrove Eco Park by foot, and you can also rent a small boat or kayak for a minimal fee. The bamboo boardwalk is a good way to take a stroll and take pictures along the way. The entrance fee is 50 pesos for adult and 20 pesos for students and children. There is also a restaurant that offers some delicacies of Bantayan Island, where you can dine in while enjoying the cooler atmosphere at the Omagieca Eco Park. The Eco Park is open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, while the restaurant is from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. respectively. There are a few resting huts situated in different parts of the Eco Park to take a shade when you get tired or just feel the cool breeze.
Ilalim. Saka meron ng ibang klaseng fish. Oh. Yung kulay, ano yun, parang may green, may yellow. Pero hindi ako makain ng
Yung pala yun, parang zebra yung tiger fish.
mamayang kaunti lang.
Isa
Ayan, kasi low tide na.
Ano yung isa nga? Yan yung parang mga madudumi lang na
Oo, yan ang
needle fish.
Bababa kami.
Huh?
Bababa.
The Obo-ob Mangrove Garden Eco Park is one of a must-visit places if you happen to be in Bantayan Island, as it is simply beautiful. Here is a preview of our next stop. See you on our next adventure.